When it comes to math class, Mia knows all the answers. Oh no, please don't pick me, please don't pick me! Oh, man! 28? No? Yes? It's 27. Is that right? Amy, over here. It's 36. The next one is 36. Okay, got it. It's 33. Really? Well, I tried. I'll fix it, teacher. Pick me. When it comes to multiples of 9, you literally just count to 10, see? Then do the same thing, but backwards from 0 to 10. Ah, it feels good to be right, doesn't it? Wait, I get it now. I better write this stuff down before I forget. While this trick doesn't work for all the times tables, it's always helpful to find patterns in the numbers to help you out. Ah, another day, another fun project. Hey, what's the matter with these? Why aren't they cutting? There's nothing quite as frustrating as a pair of dull, weak scissors. Psst, Sophia, can I borrow those scissors, please? Don't think so. That Sophia can be such a snob. Okay, so how am I going to tackle this? Well, I do have these two rulers. Maybe these can work. Take two rulers like these and crisscross them like two blades of a pair of scissors. Start cutting paper with them, pushing them up and down as you go down the page. Whoa, how did you do that? It really does work. All it takes is a little creativity and making use of what's around you. Now that's what you'd call crafty. Oh, Amy, did you wait till the last minute to write your friend's birthday card? Hey, can I borrow that pen? Thanks. Shoot, is Sophia spelled with an F or PH? Excuse me, I was using that pen. Well, now nobody gets it. Wait, how on earth did you do that, Mia? How am I gonna finish this card now? This trick is super simple. Simply bite one end of the pen and push it with your hand. See how it falls out of Mia's mouth? The old coffee dribble on the white shirt situation. Yikes. Lucky for Helly, all hope's not lost. Check it out. Take a marker or pen and outline the stains. Seriously, stick with us here. Your clumsiness just turned into a fantasy coffee island. Pretty impressive. Is it just me, or is this way cuter than the plain white t-shirt was before? Ever go from Netflix and chill to Netflix and clothing malfunction? Don't stress, you can fix this. Just take a pair of scissors and a pinch of creativity. It feels good being helpful, doesn't it? Place the torn pair of pants on a table in front of you. Fold them in half so one leg is on top of the other. Find the corner sticking out, that's the crotch of the pants that needs mending. By making this rip even bigger, you can now place your entire head through it. Now put your arms through what used to be the pant legs. They're now sleeves. Wow, they actually fit pretty nicely. And there you have it, a cute new crop top you can wear to work out in, or lounge around and watch more Netflix. Hey, we don't judge. Another day, another boring outfit. Ugh, I don't have time to go shopping, so I guess this look will have to do. Hey girl! Wow, you look fabulous. where did you get that top? I'm going to lunch and all I have is this boring t-shirt. Do you think you could help me style this outfit? Please? All right, I'll help you out. Start cutting from the bottom up on the front of the tee. Oop, not too far. Now cut up the sides along the seam to the armpits. Next, flip up the flaps onto the shoulders. And cut horizontally under the folds of the back of the shirt. Cut the piece you just removed in half vertically. If you have glue handy, go ahead and put it along the bottom edges of the two cut pieces. Now press the edge evenly onto the flipped up fabric pieces. Easy so far, right? After the glue is dried, grab the scissors again and cut it into a V shape like so. Cut slowly to make sure it's even. And onto the other side we go. You did it! Now put your new tee on and tie it in the back. If this isn't stylish, I don't know what is. And you didn't even have to step foot at the mall. This is a win for sure. Admit it, you couldn't have done it without me. Yes, girl, thanks! If you managed to stay awake during biology class, you deserve a medal. And Vicky is definitely not going to pass the exam coming up at this rate. And down she goes. Oh, this gives me a fabulous idea. While your friend is sleeping, use this opportunity to give them a temporary tattoo. To do this, use a red pen to create the open wound and outline it in white to make it look more realistic. Whoa! That was a close one. Now, to finish it off, add some darker red marks inside to give the blood a more natural look. Bleh, what'd I miss? 7 plus 9 is Whoa, Vicky, are you okay? Oh my gosh! I didn't even know seeing blood makes Vicky faint. Double whammo. Well, I guess I'd better help her up. This next secret hideaway hack is perfect for us ladies with outfits that don't have pockets. With a glue gun, go ahead and glue shut one end of the tube. Put a dot of hot glue at the opposite end on top of the tube. Place a little snap on there and press it on tight. Put another dot of glue on the bottom of the sock and attach a piece of ribbon to it with the other half of the snap attached to the other end. Now, loop this ribbon around the middle of one of your bras and attach it to the snap up top. I'm so happy we decided to celebrate your birthday outside, Sophia. Vicky! Oh, hi! What are you waiting for? Get over here. Okay. If you've ever walked on grass with heels on, you definitely know this struggle. I feel like I'm sinking into the grass. I knew I should have worn flats. Let's rewind things just for a second. If you don't want to sacrifice fashion for outdoor fun, try wrapping pieces of wax paper around the heels of your shoes. Once secured, place the heel on another sheet of wax paper. Put on globs of hot glue on the heel and around the base of it. After it's dry, remove the piece of paper and you've got yourself a little heel protector. Watch out, grass! This fashionista is coming your way. So next time you're out picnicking with your friends, make sure to keep a pair of these in your pocket. Pop those suckers on your heels and walk to your heart's content. See? No sinkage here. And by the way, that outfit is fabulous, Vic. Yay! Happy birthday, Sophia! Aw, that's so cute. A group hug.